Hello, third grade, and welcome to our reading skill part 2. Now, we've been learning about asking and answering questions and looking at the beginning, middle, and end of a story to help us find the answers. We can look at certain sections and go back and read just like we do in our close reads when we're answering those questions. We're going to move kind of quickly today, just answer the first 3. And then you are going to have a chance to do an independently. That means on your own. Now, when you do these on your own, you will need to highlight your evidence inside the text. It's a pretty short one, but I would like you to record yourself reading it and then answer the questions. Let's go ahead and do this first one together. Statue of Liberty. In 1884, the United States received a special gift from the country of France. Artist Frederick Bartholdi designed a statue of a robed woman holding a tablet and a torch to represent liberty, freedom. On August 5th, 1884, the cornerstone of the Statue of Liberty was laid on Bedloes Island in New York Harbor. Now the island is named Liberty Island. Unfortunately, the statue faced many challenges. The project ran short on money. Americans had to contribute over $100,000, worth more than $2 million today, to help pay for the pedestal to be completed. The statue was built in France and had to be taken apart and shipped piece by piece in crates. When the Statue of Liberty was finally reassembled in New York, Grover Cleveland led a dedication ceremony on October 28, 1886. The Statue of Liberty is 305 feet and 1 inch tall from the ground to the torch. For many years, European immigrants would watch for Lady Liberty from their ships to the United States. For immigrants, she was a symbol of freedom they would have in their new country. Now Americans can visit and even climb to the crown. Find your blue highlighter. And it says, who gave the Statue of Liberty to the U.S.? I'm going to go back and find who gave it to the U.S. And that was a special gift, received a special gift from the country of France. So we can use cups again. We start with crossing out the question words. Then we can use the rest of the question in our answer. The Statue of Liberty was given to the U.S. by France. Now grab your yellow highlighting tool. What did Lady Liberty symbolize to immigrants? So I'm looking and skimming for that word immigrants. For immigrants, she was a symbol of freedom in their new country. Using cups, cross out the question words. Use the other words in the sentence and then provide evidence. Lady Liberty symbolized freedom to immigrants. And finally, grab your red highlighting tool. Where was the statue first built? I'm looking at, okay, so this is a date, so that's when it started. Lit in Bedloe Island in New York Harbor. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. First, I'm going to do cross out the question words, then use the other words in the question. Statue was first built in, I'll have to go back and find my evidence, Bedloe Island in New York. Pause the video if you need to finish typing these out. Then on the next page, you'll be doing the same thing but on your own. I want you to show what you've learned this week. Read the paragraph recorded your voice, and then restate by using a full sentence. I want to see that you are crossing out the question words, that you're using parts of the sentence, and you are highlighting your evidence. If you want to use a specific color to highlight and then also highlight in your story, that would be a great idea. Once you're finished with this, you can move on to the next activity.